Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Hi everyone, so in today's video we have a special collaboration and it's called Let Freedom Reign, and that's being hosted by Buckeye Girl Decor and Lifestyle, the Grace Life DIY home decor, Art with Connie, and Pretty DIY, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Design with Emma, At Home with Lisa, The Robin's Nest by Terry, Up All Night DIY, and Low Lids Creations. Now I'm going to be linking all of the hosts and their channel links down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, so that you can see how we all celebrated Let Freedom Reign. Okay, so the rules of this collab was either to create a DIY or decorate any area of our home and reveal. So let's get started, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I just want to tell you how much I thank you so much for supporting my channel from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so if we head on over to what I am doing over here, that blue beautiful cylinder vase was a thrifted item from the Salvation Army. And I am using items to embellish from diycrafts, and of which I'm an ambassador. So I'm going to go ahead and link the website, the links to the items that I'm using, along with the discount code of 10% off your entire order if you decide to buy these products, which are, by the way, absolutely gorgeous, including the bling chain that I'm going to use to embellish. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you in and out of the video. Okay, now I am also using all-purpose cement glue that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. This seems to work better for me than the fix-all adhesive. It seems to be stronger and faster drying. But that's only my opinion. So I am not using the glue gun, believe it or not, except for one time in this project. The rest of it I actually used with that cement glue, and it held very nicely. Nothing slipped or moved out of place. But you do have to leave this for 24 to 48 hours to cure. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area, and let's continue. Okay, so YouTube lets me know what viewers are returning and what viewers are subscribing. So there is a large number of you that enjoy my content but are not subscribed. So just so you know, there is no charge to subscribe to the channel, and I would love for you to come on over, click subscribe, click the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. And yeah, click the like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying my video. Look how beautiful this vase came out. I am so happy with the results. I think it's time to go ahead and head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank all of the hosts and everyone who participated in this collaboration. So, if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.